In this video, I want to show you how you can add a job application to your Wix website. Now, if you want people to be able to apply for a job or something on your Wix website, head over to your site, select the correct one, go to the sign site, and once you're on the editor, what you want to do is come here and from the left-hand side, you can click Add Elements, find Contact and Forms. I suggest just choosing application or something. And then you just wanna choose a pre-made one. So it can be this one or it can be something else. And just let it load for a little bit. So once this is done loading, it should be on the website. Let's see where we put it, right here. And you can drag it wherever you want. And then what I suggest you do is you come up here and search for file upload and download the content manager app. Then you will be able to let them upload a file, which can be a picture of themselves. And you can download the app, the content manager app, by clicking on add apps and search for content manager. Now, if you want, you can edit the form right here, and that's basically how it works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.